everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this full glam Valentine's Day video. I am so excited because I'm using a whole bunch of products that I'm excited to use, continue to use, and I will continue to use. I'm using some new products, some old favorites, some new favorites, and I hope you guys are excited for this video. I decided to do this really pretty pink, like glitter cranberry eye look with this darker lip. If you guys are excited for more Valentine's Day tutorials, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the post notification bell, and get a notification whenever I upload. Let's get glam because this is gonna be a long one. Here is the Kylie palette. You guys can see it's like really pretty. It has stars and pink. It's super pretty, and this is just the outer pocket journey. Once you slip it out, oh my god, it says, I want it all. Same shape as her diary, and I didn't get that. I'm so upset. This is what it looks like. There you go. So it has 9 eyeshadows and then a highlight and a blush. So I did get the Bretman brush set. It comes with 9 brushes, with 4 eye brushes and then 5 face brushes. Some of these are repeats from Jacqueline's as well. You guys know I love Jacqueline's set. Like these two are repeats, the M433. This brush, I feel like it just comes out different every time, because I have like 6 of these and they all are different. And then this one, I actually am obsessed with this brush. It's the M506. Jacqueline's has this one too, and it's like the perfect little brush. 2 little flat brushes, 5 face brushes. You guys know I already love these 2. This one is a great blush brush. You guys know I just used it in my Haley video. And then this one, everybody uses this for the highlights. I'm excited for these 3 though. I don't have these, so we're gonna use those today. Now that I'm not limiting to myself to just these brushes, I'm just going out of my way to use those as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna take concealer and then the M705. Some of you are like, I used to have like space right here for hair. I just know that I fill that in with my pencil or pomade or whatever I'm gonna use. So I just don't even bother adding concealer there. This like carved it out and then just blended that out. Now to give you an update on the concealer trick hack that Daisy basically just told everyone, I really do like having this just like this. I just let the concealer sit first, dry down a little bit. Okay, this is the M573 brush. I'm gonna take the shade Party Time from the palette. So I'm gonna take Party Time. Take the blush Cheers actually, and I'm gonna buff this in here as well. Okay, taking the M433 brush, the color Forever Young, which is right here. I'm also gonna take the shade 1942. Taking the M506, I'm gonna take the pink, the new black. Because I was so shook from this little eyeshadow, I just feel like I have to use it again. So this is the e.l.f. Molten Gold Liquid Eyeshadow. Take my M433 and I'm gonna go back in with the new black, and I'm just gonna blend out the outer corners. For the lid, I do have 2 shimmer shades. I have New Year, New Me, or I have a light one, which is the highlighter, Confetti, or I have the little Kylie glows right here. And I have Queen and King, and no, Queen is the pinky one. Queen. A shade of all of them. So I'm actually going to use the E10 and I'm going to spray it. New Year, New Me. So pretty color. And now I'm going to take Confetti just on the inner corner. I'm going to blend it here. I'm going to spray it one more time. And as you can see, I left like the top of the carved crease out, and I'm actually gonna take the actual highlighter. Taking the color Midnight, which is black, I'm actually going to darken up this outer corner. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to apply lashes and the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Moving on to the face, this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I really like this primer. I went ahead and I cleaned up the glitter off the face and I re-moisturized. So for foundation today, we're going to test out the new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, shade Warm Nude. So I think this should be my color. And I'm going to use the Morphe M462 brush. Alrighty, have you guys started watching Drag Race? Because y'all know I did. Who is your favorite queen this time around? Still really don't like the orgy. Feel like they're not really genuine. And then I don't know what's going on with Milk this season. I like the way it's buffing, but I feel like I'm not getting the full coverage aspect of this foundation because it's a stippling brush. I am 439, and I'm gonna see if I can build this up a little bit. So for concealer, I'm going to go ahead with NYX HD concealer in the shade Beige. I feel like either I'm like running out. This concealer I feel like runs out hella quick. Take Shape Tape, and I'm gonna go over that. To blend it out, I'm just gonna use my Morphe sponge. My favorites for RuPaul are Maja, Shangela. I am going to test out a new contouring. This is the Brittany Bare little set for her contouring. And as you guys know, I love a good contour nose, so we're gonna test these out. I'm gonna use the LA Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna take the number 3 brush. See, it just looks like that. And taking the 6 brush from her line to buff this outward. Whenever you're contouring your nose, you always want to go back and forth. I'm going to take my lightest concealer, and I'm just going to use the same little brush down the center. Now I'm going to take the same concealer, and I'm just going to go down the sides right here. So now that you kind of have it the way that you kind of want it, I'm going to use the O brush, and I'm going to use a very light powder, and I'm going to set the middle. Alrighty, and you guys know I have to use my JD Wadey 180 brush, the NARS bronzer in Laguna. Going with that powder and just going on the side. I think that's a great nose contour. 4 brushes. For the face, I'm going to take the E52 brush and my Wet n Wild powder. For bronzer, I'm going to take the R7. Usually I take the R2. These are a little bit different. This one's more like the MAC 135. R10, and it's a little bit smaller so I can contour. I'm just going to precisely do it right here. I'm going to take my Patrick powder and I'm going to bake. So I'm gonna take the blush from here. It's the shade Cheeks, or Cheers. Cheers for the cheeks. Really pretty muted blush. I like a pretty blush, you know? For our first highlighter, I think I'm gonna use the confetti shade in here. And I'm just gonna take this first, and I'm gonna put this in my shaky bone. It's so pretty. I think I'm just gonna elevate it a little bit more with the King highlight. Now the King one is more of a gold tint. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Like this, you see my cheek. Got a little bit right there, right there. You guys see a difference with my nose? Pencil brush and the highlighter, the loose one, and I'm just gonna add this on the tip. Bring it down more. The highlighter as my inner corner. I'm gonna take the black shade and I'm gonna take this on the outer corner, follow it up to the orange. Brush in the pink, the dark pink. And then as you can see, I added this really pretty detail. I just used the NYX crystal liner and I just dipped it in the highlighter queen. So I'm going to apply, what is this? Exposed lip liner. I'm actually going to take Alyssa Ashley's lip gloss with e.l.f. Cosmetics in the shade Nude Rose. Let me clean up the lip line. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I took off the lip. I really loved the gloss. I just didn't like the lip line and it just couldn't be fixed. So I'm just going to take a different lip, and this is the Morphe X Ourfa lip set. So it comes with a liquid lipstick and a liner. This is in the shade Vinyl. And then to make it last, I'm just going to use the Morphe setting spray. Alrighty guys, so here was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really loved it. I think it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you did, hit the thumbs up button. Also let me know down below what kind of other Valentine's Day tutorials you guys would like me to upload. I will see you guys in my next video. Adios.